Who knew a simple triangle in the outer corner can be converted into one of the most stunning looks of all time? Hi everyone, it's Smitha. Welcome back. Today is the first of several different looks that I'll be creating using this simple palette with just 5 must-have eyeshadows in every makeup stash. And these are eyeshadows that you can use to create any versatile look. This is my collaboration with Ofra Cosmetics, and we called it the most boring palette because the eyeshadows look very basic but are the most dynamic. Now I'm going to be showing you several different ways to use them. I'm going to start by dipping an angled brush in the black eyeshadow called Intense, and all I'm going to do is stamp it in the outer corner, and then I'm going to extend it to create a triangle, joining it to my lash line, and then I'm going to use the same eyeshadow to fill it in to create a winged eyeliner. You can see how intense that black is. Using my nail, I'm going to sharpen it in the outer corner. You can also use a brush. And then I'm taking a little bit more of that intense with a flat shading brush to smudge out that wing. Smudging is the process of loosening something before you smoke it out. I'm next dipping into this beautiful transition shade called Buff because I want to further melt this black into my skin tone. This eyeshadow is incredible because it'll soften any eyeshadow to melt into your skin tone, and that's when you get that beautiful cloud-like blend and it softens all of the sharp edges. Next, I'm going to be using my favorite eyeshadow from the palette. It's called Showstopper. First with a dry, fluffy brush because I want to disperse it in the center of my lid first. All you have to do is just dab it over the lid. And then I'm going to pick it up with a denser flat shading brush because I want to place it in the inner third and make it look more opaque. Using Intense, which is the black eyeshadow, I'm going to stamp it in my lower lash line. Then using Depth, which is the deeper brown shade, I'm going to soften this. Now using Halo, which is the matte white shade, I'm going to highlight my inner corner to draw more light and brighten things up. And that's pretty much it. Let's add some finishing touches. I'm going to start with the Rimmel Scandalized pencil in black to tightline. And then for lashes, I'm going to first curl my natural lashes to apply a coat of mascara, for which I'm going to be using the Ofra HD Volumizing Mascara. I'm saturating all my lashes from root to tip, both top as well as bottom lashes. And then to add more volume, I'm going to be using Lily Lashes in Milan. You can't tell me that's not a stunning look using the boring palette. And that's why they say never judge a book by its cover. I love the way it elongates my eye as well. I'm going to pair this with Mine But Better lipstick. Again, a universal shade. You'll see why we named it so. It's just the most perfect rosy hue that gives a delicate touch to your lips, making it a better version. In fact, if you just dab a little bit right in the center and spread it out with your finger, it gives the most delicate hue. It looks like your lips, but with that subtle pink pigment. And here is the completed look. I'd love to hear your thoughts. I know many of you bought this palette, so thank you so much. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. And if you haven't already purchased this, I'm going to include a discount code in the description box below, so make sure to check that out. I'm sharing all of your recreations on my socials, so if you recreate this look, please don't forget to tag me. My socials are listed in the description box below. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe. I love you guys so much, and I will see you soon with a brand new one. Bye guys.